Come test drive the 2019 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.